This Mitra info video is about the question whether there is an age limit when you apply for jobs in Germany. You are from a non-EU country and you would like to work in Germany. You know from friends and relatives that in many countries there's an age limit when you apply for a work visa. So the question is whether there is an age limit when you apply for jobs and a work visa in Germany as well. Let's first talk about the official regulations. Whether there is an age limit or not depends on the type of visa you're applying for. For job seeker visa, there is no age limit. With the job seeker visa, you cannot come to Germany to work, of course. It's only a visa to look for jobs for 6 months. Another important visa is the EU Blue Card. Here, there is no age limit either, but there are some other restrictions, for example, how much money you have to earn in your job. The standard visa with work permit is the so-called visa for qualified professionals. Here, there are some restrictions regarding your age when you apply for the visa. If you are older than 45 years when you apply for a visa for qualified professionals, you either have to earn more than 46,860 euros annual gross salary, or you have to prove that you have sufficient provisions for your retirement. This can be a state pension in your home country or in another country. Or you have some kind of private life insurance that covers your costs during the retirement. Another possibility is that you own property. These are the official regulations. Now let's have a look at the employer's perspective. Is it interesting for them to employ older applicants? For employers, older applicants are more risky than younger ones. If you apply for a lower position within the company, you might have too much experience for the tasks that you have to do. That means you are overqualified. The employer might think that you're not able to adapt to the fact that you have younger employees as your superiors and that they cannot shape you the way they can shape youngsters. If you apply for higher positions, the employer has the problem that they need someone who exactly knows how things are done in this specific sector in Germany. Being from abroad, you might lack this kind of experience, although you are very experienced in your own country. With growing responsibility, the costs to the company are higher, so they might be hesitant to employ somebody they don't know really well in order to minimize their risk. In both cases, the odds are stacked against you. So the question is what you can do about it. What should be your strategy? Our first suggestion is to expand your international network so that you get to know people who might be interested in employing you. Most jobs in higher positions are given to people with and within networks. Secondly, try to prove your value through your work. If someone gets to know how well you perform and how profound your expertise is, your chances of getting in touch with a potential employer grow. A third important step is to update your application documents according to German standards. You might not have applied for jobs in a long time, so your documents are not updated and in order. Keep in mind that every country has its own rules about applications. Make sure you understand what is expected from you when you write an application to a German employer. Last but not least, start learning German. The main language in German work context is German, even if it's with an international focus. Especially when you want to take up a job with a lot of responsibility, where you have to lead a German team or you are in touch with German partners or clients, you will have to know German to be able to get the job. We hope this video answered your question whether there is an age limit when you apply for jobs in Germany. If you are interested in getting more information about job search in Germany, have a look at our other YouTube videos or follow us on our social media channels. You can also write to us at info@mitra.de. Stay tuned, ask Mitra.